Doing pets?
Oh, I see.
Is that what you're doing? Pet? Want me to pet you? Then I need my hand. Good boy. Good boy. That little divot of hair. He's a wee boy. Did you just go on a walk? So yeah, we walked 2 miles. You think you need a nap? You just ate your dinner? 4 minutes early. Did you eat? Yes, you ate. Don't act like you didn't eat. Don't even. Boop. Those teeth. Those teeth are so cute. They're the cutest little teebies. They're the cutest little teebies. He's a good boy. You good boy? Yeah. You pawing me?